Hi, James, Fine and Country Leamington Spa with your market update for December 2020. Okay, the market is very strong at the moment, has been throughout the summer, and we believe it's going to be very strong going into 2021. People trying to capitalise on these stamp duty savings, and that looks like it's probably going to come to an end in March. So house prices, according to the house price index, have gone up 7% last year, and they're predicting they could go up a further 4% next year. We're certainly seeing that in Leamington at the moment. I myself have agreed 2 sales of the most expensive properties in the town, barely went to market, and we have more buyers out there. They're continuing to register with us and they can't find what they want. So the demand is certainly outweighing the supply. So 2021, we are expecting it to be busy. The solicitors are already struggling to get deals through the line this year, and we think there's going to be a real rush to the market. We've certainly got some more properties coming on ourselves, and we think buyers are going to be registering as soon as New Year is here. We continue to lead the market in Leamington and the surrounding villages and towns. So if you would like to discuss marketing your property and get ahead of the pace, please give us a call. We're happy to talk through with you and come out and see you if that's suitable. Stay safe, have a great Christmas, and please don't hesitate to call if you'd like to discuss further. Thanks for watching.